FEG token have actually proved that it is going to be one of the popular crypto coins in the nearest future. But one thing you need to understand about FEG token is that a lot of people are going to make massive profit with FEG token. In fact, with $100 investment on FEG token, remember, you can make about $10,000, and in case everything work out well according to the developer's plan, you can even make about $90,000 to $100,000 with FEG token. And don't say it is not possible, because when you take a look at the market cap and we take a look at the circulating supply, it is possible that FEG can lose about 3 zeros. Now, understand this. FEG has been listed on Gate.io. There are some other crypto coins. I mean, they are even more popular than FEG token. They're even 10 times popular than FEG token that has not been listed on some top exchange. They have only been listed on either PancakeSwap or Uniswap V2. But FEG token here has been listed on Gate.io, and Gate.io is one of the top 10 crypto exchange out there. They have also been listed on Hotbit. It has been listed on xt.com, on BigX, then Uniswap V2, PancakeSwap V2. It also been listed on AppSwap. Okay, now this is to tell you, I'm expecting FEG to be listed on Kucoin any moment from now, and FEG is going to gain a massive increase. And remember, FEG are actually working on getting listed on Binance and then Coinbase and also Crypto.com. Once FEG is able to be listed on Crypto.com or Kucoin, believe it, FEG is going to gain more popularity, more social engagement, and FEG is going to gain a lot of rise. And by the time it will be listed on Binance alone, expect FEG token to hit over 2,000% or 5,000%. Now, with $100 investment right now on FEG, you can buy almost 200 billion coins of FEG token. Okay, yes, with $100 investment you can buy about 200 billion coins. Now, if FEG token goes ahead and loses just 1 zero, your money, $100, will be worth about $990. That's at $1,000. That's a very good return on investment. I mean, losing just 1 zero out of the 9 zeros this token is currently trading with. At the time of recording this video, FEG still have at 9 zero. Okay, now if FEG loses just 2 zeros, your money will be worth about $10,000. You see, and there's a possibility from now to 2025, even 2030, for FEG to lose 2 zero. Imagine investing $100 and the next few years you are gaining about $10,000. That is a good investment. Also, if FEG loses 3 zeros, your money will be worth about $99,200. Let's say $100,000 if FEG loses just 3 zeros. And there's the possibility that trading with 9 zeros can go down to what, trading with 6 zeros. Yes, because FEG have all it takes to. Now, the market cap of FEG is still trading with just $20 million. FEG is trading with $20.6 million. Well, we are expecting more investment, to more people to come into FEG, invest more on FEG, and more traders to be engaged with FEG token. Also, FEG developers are actually working on getting more FEG token to be burned. Remember, FEG still have trillions of coins circulating out there, and they need to burn a lot of these coins in order to push the price of FEG. And then FEG are working to partner with a lot of companies in Asia, in Europe, in Africa, in America, because they believe partnering with companies simply means people will want to use FEG token in order to purchase items. And they're also doing some kind of, they will soon start a kind of a giveaway to all their holders, and we believe all this will contribute to FEG token. And the name FEG token is very, very attractive, fit every gorilla token FEG. But one thing they really need to do is to burn a lot of FEG token, because that is the only way FEG will really massively increase in price. I think they should look at Terra Classic, what the developers are actually working on. Terra Classic actually working on something pretty. I mean, remember the 1.2% bond tax rate, which they believe that at every purchase, buy and sell, they are going to the commission that they will make from it will be sent to the debt wallet. Now, FEG token have all it takes to start whatever they can do in order to get trillions of FEG token to be sent out to the dead wallet. Well, but remember, please, if you want to invest on FEG token, remember our golden rule here is never invest what you cannot afford to lose. Remember, we are using $100 as an example. That simply means you can invest $10, $5, whatever you can afford to lose. That's the real best way to make money with crypto industry. Once again, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. Good one for FEG token.